Hi there and welcome to my channel Razor Sharp. My name is August and it's the third day of the 8th annual Lather Games. Today is International Day and the theme is to pick something that's from another country. I'm actually supposed to be leaving for work, have work to do 5 minutes ago, but I'll manage. Anyhow, I chose something from France and I actually really like this soap. One, because it has really good smells, even though I bought this first because I didn't know I would like it or not, so I just wanted something small, even though it's very economical. This is 100 grams, 98 grams, and I've used this 45 times. This is the 46th, I think. So yeah, really economical. For today's razor, this is my grandpa's razor, who I didn't have the chance to meet after I was born. These are the blades. I've never tried these. First time I got them as a gift from the purchase from Greece that my friends did. So tiger blades, double packed. Have no idea how they shave, and I think there's no better way to test them than everyday shaving, because if they fare well during everyday shaving, daily shaving, then they'll fare well in not daily shaving. It's a twist to open. It's a Gillette British Rocket. From all of the old Gillettes I've tried, I think I like this one the most. I will send this to be in America, revamped, replayed it and everything. I don't know when, and I forgot the name of the person who's going to do it. Oh, I forgot to put on the light. 1 second. Much better. So, also I'll be using a boar brush today, which I have soaking here since some 5 minutes ago. My mind is racing because, well, I have to shave, and at the same time I have some things I want to share. Anyways, I can't say really that the boar brush is broken in. It's had 1, 2 shaves? Can't really say. I've plastered the soap here. I scrape it out I scoop out all of my soaps. I never lather tub load, because if by any chance I want to sell the soap, many people don't like buying soaps that have been lathered from the tub, so yeah, preserving it. Still has a bit of a funk to it, but it's okay. One of the interesting things about this soap is that it's vegan, and it smells like pig fat, lard, which is a common, not remedy, but in Bulgaria it's very commonly used for scrapes and other things. So I'm very familiar with the smell, and it's strange because it's vegan, but it smells like pig fat. Anyways, I like the soap. It's cocoa based, so there's a lot of talk about cocoa-based soaps not being as good as the, and I can see it, but I actually quite like the soap. I think it performs well. I much prefer it than the Italian alternatives. I somehow don't get along with Italian soaps. I've tried a few, even Saponificio Varesino, and just not my thing. I can't really make good lather with them. I just don't like them. Also, their perfume, the scents they have are a bit feminine to me, not really my style. So, even though I love Italy for many reasons, I've been there and I'll talk about that, the shaving part of it is not for me. Here's how it's going. Whoops. I need to beat it a bit more, and then I'll add some water, and then I'll get to the shaving part. So I tried this I bought it a year something ago and I quite like it. I've smelled one or two more fragrances by Pere Lucien and quite like it. Actually, the aftershave that I have with now, I bought recently and I fell in love with it. I actually might buy one more just so I have in reserve, because it's a limited edition and it might never be made again, so I want to have some in reserve. Okay, I think that's enough quantity. I'll just dial in some water. Board brushes aren't my forte. I can't say that I don't like them because I haven't tried them that many times, but I thought that they were gonna be really rough. This is a Proraso Professional, whatever it's called. And I was quite surprised when you saw them how soft they are. Everyone said I need to break them. They're really, the smell, yes, I know about the smell, but that doesn't bother me really. The animal smell, but people say they're gonna be really prickly, blah 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 blah. Maybe because I never face lather, that's not a problem for me. Anyways, wet the face and get to the shaving. The topic theme of today, the surprise theme, is international stories when you've traveled. And I actually thought about it in the morning that I've traveled quite a bit, even though I don't realize it. I've visited many countries. I've even been to Africa. By work or by pleasure, sometimes by both of those reasons combined. And I've been to England. I studied there in Birmingham for 3-4 months. I studied in Russia for 1 year. I think the country I've been to most is probably Italy, in Rome, Firenze, yes, Florence, Siena, Cremona, also to Austria, Spain, and since I live in the Balkans, in Bulgaria, all the neighboring countries, Turkey, Greece, Macedonia, Serbia, Romania. My ex-girlfriend is from Romania, so I actually have visited quite many times with my car. It's a 12-hour drive. About 900 kilometers, and I really love the scenery. The blade for now is performing well. I'll just see it in a bit. Only problem, really does loosen up, so I have to be careful if I don't touch this part in any part of my hand, then it's fine, but if it has contact, it gets loose. I tried to use this at an Atlas shaving in February to shave my legs, but I failed the challenge actually, because it was super easy for me and I felt a bit bad because some people were having trouble. And since I didn't shave my face because I want to try many products, I tried to dull out the blade, and I dulled it out so much that, well, it didn't shave. So yeah, I failed that challenge, but I won't fail this one. I'm going all out in the Lather Games. Fondest memory, I have many memories from all the countries I've visited. I have very fond memories from Romania because, well, you know, love. Okay. I actually, even though I don't like the products, shaving products from Italy, I quite enjoyed my visits there. I have to be careful. It's just the architecture. I love cathedrals. I'm a chump for cathedrals, and Italy has one of the, if not the most beautiful cathedrals. So I will, because I'm in a hurry, I can't really share all my experiences, but I will definitely write a long post of fond memories, what happened where, and why it was a fond memory, etc. So wish that I had a bit more time on the video here, but sadly I don't. Yep. When I start feeling it going, chattering and skipping, going against the grain, I know that it has untwisted itself a bit. But yeah, the Africa experience was actually really nice because, well, it's a whole different world there. You're basically like in another planet and you just don't expect it. The food was actually quite surprising and quite nice. I was in Ethiopia for about 10 days and it was a lot of fun. It was work, pleasure combined. So, how are we doing? Maybe here a bit and a wee bit here. Okay, so far so good. I hope I won't be too late, but I think I'll manage. I say I had to leave 10 minutes ago because I want to drive slower. Not that I'll break the law, but I'll have to be a bit more fast driving. Okay. Not bad. And a better mustache. Actually a lot, by the way, what I feel. Gonna twist it. Okay, so done. Kind of quick, very hectic. I'm gonna use what's left over just to wash my face, use the soap because it's going down the drain anyway, so why not just wash my face once again. I like this soap a lot. It's a bit tricky dialing it in. Sometimes you can add too much water and it becomes a bit airy, but other than that, I quite like the French in general. And one of the reasons I chose this soap for the International Day is because I always wanted to go to France, and someday I will. Also, I want to visit Tokyo, South Korea, and some other countries, but France is close, and I've always admired their poetry, their music, their cosmetic products. So yeah, I chose especially this soap for that reason, because it's a destination I would like to visit. Let's see what the Alan Block will say. Nothing. Nothing. A bit here. Nope. Quite a nice shade. 0.2 out of 10 on the irritation scale, which is nice. It's not the, again, clean shave, but I won't repeat that every day. How am I? 15 minutes? Yoy. That's a Romanian phrase for damn it. Or an expression of wow, but in a god damn. So yeah, that's a phrase I still sometimes catch myself using. Something happens, I'm like, yoy, I'm late, yoy. I think it's part of the place where she lives. Only to that part. She's from the south part, from Transylvania, so I don't think from the south they use that phrase. They have other slang there. Okay. Nice. Dry up. Good. So I will dry up everything and I will be back in a second. Up. So everything is dried up. The boar brush still has to soften up, but I like it. It's very pleasant to the smell isn't that bad. Have grown fond of it in a way. This aftershave is from Greece. When my friends went there to Thessaloniki. Oh yeah, I've also been there, but I didn't know they did have that Cosmos man. I know this aftershave since 2000. Last year I saw it. It's from 2020 special edition, and it's called Vetyver and de Vetyver et le bel chose, or something to that extent. Very, very beautiful things. And I was curious because I like Vetyver, and I just fell in love. And another friend is gonna go there soon, and I said, just buy me another one. I want to have two because I don't think these will be made again, or when they will be made. Ooh, police is coming. Anyways, I like it quite much. Quite much, very nice. I like it a lot. I have no idea how many percent alcohol it has, but oh, it kind of smells. It's very potent, very intoxicating. It smells a lot like pine sap. Forgot the word. Really nice, and I like that smell a lot, so I'll buy another one. Why not? It's awesome. A decent shave, not what I'm used to, but fine. For the perfume today, I chose this. Ooh, I forgot to turn off my internet. Eau de Cologne. I actually found out why it's called Eau de Cologne, because Eau is water in French, and it means the water from Cologne, the German cathedral city. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Sure, why not? This time it didn't spread in my eyes. It complements the aftershave quite well. So, oh, I'm really late. I'm really late. Gillette Body Rocket, Le Pere Lucien Natural, without scent, even though it has scent. Aftershave Le Pere Lucien, and a bit of Italian. So it has, this shave has a lot of, has English, French aftershave, Italian, and German. Actually quite international, by accident or not. Why not? So yeah, this is for today. It's a really hectic video. I'm sure I spat out a lot of bullshit. Anyways, I'll write a much detailed and longer post about my expectations of the blades and so on and so on. Stay safe, have some happy shaves, and don't drink and drive. Up.